Hello, this is James from Denmark. Today I show you our factory. This is one of our workshops, and I show you our mini machines, which we made the best for the laser cutting machine. And follow me. This one is milling bass. We just milling the bass on this milling machine, and now it's working. You can see the milling head. Okay, now let's take a close look. This is just having milled. The reels, you see, it's very high precision, very flat. So that's why it can make sure the high precision of the laser cutting machine. The precision of the plane is very important. Okay, follow me. And as we know, the quality of a milling machine is very important for the high quality of a laser cutting machine. And you can see that here. These are just the beams of laser cutting machine, which will load the laser cutting head. The beam. This is just aluminum. Is made of aluminum alloy, so which makes it very lightweight, so it can move very fast to get high acceleration for high-speed cutting. Also this too. Okay. And this one, and there are two mini machines also. So our workers are just working. You can see that one is also working on the machining surface. This one. Yes. Okay. Now let's take you to see a big one. There is a new big one, 60 meters milling machine. I show you. Okay. Follow me. And this machine is 60 meters milling machine. There are 5 cantilever beams on it. You see? 1, 2. So the two mini heads can work at the same time. These two can just mini head can just work at the same time, simultaneously. So we can just milling the bass at the same time. And you say there are many cantilevers. They can work at the same time, so we can make our bass at the same time for many. Okay. So this is the introduction of our workshop of mini machine. And you can see we have many high weight milling machine. It can just a machine for the manufacturing of the best of our laser cutting machine. So this is they can ensure the high quality. If you are interested about the cutting machine, you can contact us.